Hey guys, today I'm gonna explain about different types of keywords in Google Ads. Let's check out. Today our topic is keywords. So before we should know why we should know about types of keywords. Because if we choose wrong keyword type or not using keyword types in our ads, they will appear to the wrong visitors along with relevant visitors, so that our ads may be misled and our budget will be wasted. If we not using the keyword type, automatically our budget may be wasted if we use wrong type of keyword or without using the keyword type. So there are majorly some types in Google Ads. So I am explaining that broad match modifier keywords, phrase match, exact match, and negative keywords. These are all the main types of keywords in Google Ads. These are, we should know exactly what they are. So now in this video I am gonna explain about broad match keywords and broad match modifier keywords, because the length and the content is very huge. So in this video I am gonna explain about broad match keyword and broad match modifier keyword in depth, so don't miss the video. Broad match keywords, the keywords applying without symbols are broad match keywords. If you know the other types, they may be broad match modifier or phrase match, exact match, or negative keywords. For this we have to use symbols for adding this type of keywords, but in broad match we should not have any symbol for applying the broad match keywords. And also this type of keywords having widest range volume for searching. Such volume is huge for this broad match keyword types. And it is broad match because it allows your ad to the match the widest range of possible keywords, such as that are still somewhat related to your keyword. Means the broad match maybe will show some broad results which are related to your keyword. And also this is the default option. The search volume of the broad match is very high when compared to the other type keywords. I am giving the small example, it will give some more clarity on the broad match. For example, when you add hats as your keyword, as the broad match keyword, you tell Google Ads to try to show your ads for such as containing that term or a similar one. Your ad might show for such as or hats, sun hats, winter accessories, and some other keywords. It will show to the customers. Broad match keywords help you to reach the widest audience. Means broad match is for widest results. Drawbacks of a broad match: I recommend don't use the broad match because it may waste your budget. Because the following example will give you clarity why it's wasting your budget. If you add digital marketing course as broad match keyword, there will be chance to appear your ad to persons who search like below. Your ad may appear to the persons if you search with digital TV. If your keyword is digital marketing course as a broad match keyword, there will be chance to appear your ad the persons who searches like below, because they may search like digital TV. Because the problem in broad match is if persons search with any keyword that you mentions in the broad match keyword, ads they may appear to the visitors even though it is not relevant search. So that time the budget will be wasted. It is another example. If another person searches for financial marketing course, your ad may not be shown to the ad may not the ad may be appear because the marketing the word is there in your broad match keyword, because the broad match keyword you used is digital marketing course. In the digital marketing course, marketing is the one of the word in the digital marketing course. So the problem is any word that you mention in the broad match will appear to the irrelevant searches like financial marketing, stock marketing. If persons search for stock marketing also, the ad will be appear to that broad match. So these are the some examples. The ad will shows to everyone who searches with, if your broad match keyword is digital marketing course, then the ad will shows to everyone who searches with digital X, digital Y, marketing X, marketing Y, course X, course Y. Here X and Y are not relevant to your campaign, but if a broad match, it will give both relevant and non-relevant searches like digital X, digital Y, marketing Y, course X and course Y. These are all the non-relevant searches for your word. So it will waste your budget. So I recommend don't use broad match, but it will give wide range of audience when compared to the other keywords. And next thing is how to apply the broad match keywords in Google Ads. After few steps like campaign types, audience settings, budget and locations etc. in campaign setup, before saving, the last step is adding keywords. Here in this diagram you can observe that selecting campaign settings, setup ad groups, create ads. The fourth step is adding the keyword type. Here you can see here the match type help control when which searches can trigger your ads. Keyword broad match, keyword phrase match. It is actually cropped, but you can see these are the symbols of different type of keywords in the Google Ads. This is how broad match works. It will show to the both relevant and non-relevant audience, but the volume is very high range. The volume is high range, and the wide range of audience will come to the for using by using the broad match type. Now broad match modifier keyword. This type of keyword generally better than broad match. It will show more relevant than broad match. The search volume is less than the broad match. When if you compare with broad match, the broad match the volume searches will be low when compared to the broad match, but the broad match modifier will show the exact relevant customers when compared to the broad match. So modifier will saves your budget when compares to the broad match, right? Then the words you have marked with plus sign such as plus blue, plus suit, plus shoes or close variation, broad match modifier can apply your keywords achieve a high click-through rate with more target audience. The applying process is you should add plus symbol for every word before how to apply the broad match modifier means you have to add plus sign for before every keyword, like if your keyword is best shoes, you have to apply plus best plus shoes, like that. This is the broad match modifier keyword formula. You have to add a plus symbol for every word in the keyword, plus symbol for every keyword, plus best plus shoes. Best shoes are the, if the best shoe is the keyword, you have to add plus symbol for every word. That means plus best plus shoes. This is the how you have to add the broad match modifier. Instructions: sign in to your Google Ad account. From the page menu on the left, click keyword tab, then click plus button, then select an ad group to add match modifier to, and enter your broad match keyword with plus signs preceding the words or words you want to appear in your potential customers exactly or as closed variant, and click save. After finishing the plus symbols, you have to click save button. How to add a modifier to an exit broad match keyword? Sign into your Google accounts, and from page menu on the left, click on the keywords, however keyword you wish to edit, then click edit option, like this icon. See, this icon will be appear. Click on the edit icon, then add plus sign to preference to any word you want to make into broad match modifier, and click save. Tips: there are some tips for broad match modifier. Tip number 1 is, don't leave space between the plus sign and the word you are modifying. For every word we should not use space button. Correct is plus leather plus shoes. Incorrect is plus leather space plus shoes. We should not keep space between the word and plus symbol. Here plus symbol is, there is a no space between plus and leather. Here is some space between plus and leather, so we should not do like that. And another thing is, if your keyword are in any other language, still add the plus sign on the left and hand side of the word. See, correct way. If any keyword with other languages, add the plus symbol before the word, not the after the word. See, here is the correct way. Here it is not the English language, but the plus symbol is the before the word, not after the word. Here how you add the broad match modifier. Google tells that don't recommend adding plus on function words like in or to, that aren't directly relevant to what you are advertising. In or to are just the function words, not the keywords. So don't add plus symbol before in or to words like that. So this is the some examples. It will explain how the difference between the broad match and broad match modifier. See, if the such term is get car insurance, if this is the car insurance, this is general broad match, plus car and plus insurance is the broad match modifier. The ad will shows to the get car insurance. If the customer type the in get car insurance, if he apply the broad match like car insurance without any symbols, it will appear to him. if he use the broad match modifier like plus car and plus insurance, it is also appear to that person if he search the keyword like get car insurance. If the person searches with Tata AIG insurance, it will appear on the broad match but not in the broad match modifier. If the person searches with automobile insurance, it will appear in the broad match car insurance word, but it will not. It will also appear in the broad match modifier because there is the insurance word. So and the automobile is the relevant to the car, so it will appear to the broad match modifier. So two-wheeler insurance will not appear in the broad match, but it will appear in the it will appear in the broad match, but it will not appear in the broad match modifier because two-wheeler is not the relevant word to the broad match modifier. Insure a car will appear in the both broad and broad match modifiers. So here is you can explain that two-wheeler insurance is the not our relevant keyword. Like that, the broad match will save our budget if person is type with non-relevant keywords. It will not shown to them. In broad match, if person search with non-relevant keyword also, it will show to the that person. Two-wheeler insurance is not our relevant keyword, but it will shows to the customer if you use the broad match as car insurance without the plus symbols. Automatically our budget will be wasted. This is the example why I recommend don't use broad match. Use the broad match modifier. Another example, broad match modifier. The word is plus women's plus hats. Ad may show on searches for women's hats, buy women's hats, hats for women. The ads won't show on elements for women's visors like that. See, this is the how broad match modifier works. It will not shown to the non-relevant customers because the keyword is women hats, not the elements. So it is saving our budget. So use the broad match modifier than the broad match. This is the today's video, and tomorrow's video I will explain about other types like in tomorrow video I will explain about phrase match keyword, exact match keyword, negative keywords. So if you like this video, give thumbs up and click on the subscription button.